We've touched on this filters pane and how we can use it to actually filter what we're seeing on a page or what we're seeing with a visualization. So there are 4 standard types of filters that you can create using that filters pane. You can create a filter that applies to a single visual on that page. You can create a filter that applies to all the visuals on that page, or a filter that applies to all the pages in that report, or even what they call a drill through filter, which is when we're wanting to focus on a specific entity. What I'd like to do is I'd actually like to create a page filter for this page, being Europe. And so I'm going to click on a blank part of the report canvas, and I'm going to go to the fields pane, and I'm going to actually, from the population query, I'm going to drag continent and drop it on filters on this page. So this page and the 3 visuals on it will be filtered by continent. And I want to set the continent to Europe. And so that has had an immediate impact on the table, the map, and the decomposition tree. And I want to lock it so nobody can change that this page is dedicated to Europe by hitting this little lock here. And I can collapse the continent filter card. And so that is the focus of this particular page. It's no longer the population across the board, it's actually the population for Europe, and the thirds are affected by that. So the thirds for Europe are no longer competing with other continents. It's the gold stars, silver stars, and half stars within Europe, the total within Europe, the maps within Europe, and the decomposition tree within Europe. And I can hit the plus because I want to see the countries inside of Europe, and there they are there. So be aware that this filters pane has the ability to filter a visual, a page, a report, and even drill throughs, which we'll look at later. I'm just going to save this particular file, and yeah,